This project is face mask detection and thermal screening with audio response for COVID-19 with IoT. Here, hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply 16:2 LCD display. ESP32-CAM and its baseboard. Here, ESP32-CAM placed on its baseboard. It has all digital pins and it has 5 volts DC supply connected to ESP32-CAM. Here, contactless temperature sensor MLX90614 connected to Arduino I2C pins. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 connected to Arduino UART port. Here, switch, buzzer, API voice module connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. Before going to start this project, we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the username IoT server and password IoT server, or we can change Wi-Fi router username IoT server and password IoT server. Now we have to create hotspot. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now power on this. After power on this project, ESP32-CAM and ESP8266 modules connected to internet through these Wi-Fi credentials. Here we can know IP address of ESP32-CAM through mobile app. Mobile app name is Network Scanner app, which is available in Play Store. Now we have to open Network Scanner app. Initially, we have to press this start button. Here we can see as press if, and it is showing IP address 192.168.0.111. We can see here vendor. Now we have to copy this IP address, paste in another browser. Here we got the streaming window. Now coming to the project operation, here we have to show our face with or without mask in front of camera and press this button. If mask wear, then start scanning of temperature. If temperature less than 100 degrees, then audio will come as a you can go. If mask not wear or temperature more than 100 degrees, then audio will come as a will not allow. And also temperature and face mask information will upload to the IoT server. Now we have to log in. according to the server. And second condition is with mask in normal temperature. Again we have to press this.
You can go.
Here we have maintained 15 cm distance from temperature sensor. And third condition is with mask in high temperature. Temperature 105.
Will not allow.
High temperature. Now we will open the server. We have to minimize this and open the server. Here we have to refresh this page. Here we can see first condition, mask not wear in normal temperature. Second condition, mask wear in normal temperature. And third condition, mask wear in high temperature with respect to date and time.